Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we will cover up the table 3.3 left in the previous video. So here is the table given. Then the first one is type of waste, and then is approximate time taken to degenerate, and then nature of material. So peels of vegetable and fruits, leftovers, foodstuff, etc. It takes 1 to 2 weeks and it is biodegradable. Then paper. It takes 10 to 30 days and it's biodegradable. Then cotton cloth, then wood, then woolen clothes, tin, aluminium and other metal cans, and then plastic bags. Several years it's non-biodegradable. So you should know the difference that what are biodegradable and what are non-biodegradable, and how much time they take to degenerate. Now we will cover up the whole topic of plastics and the environment. So, since plastic takes several years to decompose, it is not environment friendly. It causes environmental pollution. Besides, the burning process in the synthetic material is quite slow and it does not get completely burned easily. In the process, it releases lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. How can this problem be solved? Avoid the use of plastics as far as possible. Make use of bags made of cotton or jute when you go for shopping. The biodegradable and non biodegradable wastes should be collected separately and disposed of. Practice this in your homes. Can you suggest some other ways in which you can contribute towards reducing the use of plastic materials? It is better to recycle the plastic waste. Most of the thermoplastics can be recycled. Make a list of items that can be recycled. However, during recycling, certain coloring agents are added. This limits its usage, especially for storage of food. As a responsible citizen member, the 4R principle: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. You should know all the 4R principle. Develop habits which are environment friendly. Now let's read out the yellow box. Have you ever seen a garbage dump where animals, especially cows, are eating garbage? In the process of eating the food waste, they swallow materials like polythene bags and wrappers of food. Can you imagine the consequences? Means its effects. The plastic material chokes the respiratory system of these animals or forms a lining in their stomachs and can be cause of their death. The polybags carelessly thrown here and there are responsible for clogging the drains too. Sometimes we are very careless and throw the wrappers of chips, biscuits and other eatables on the road or in parks or picnic places. Should we not think twice before doing so? As a responsible citizen, what measures do you suggest to keep public places clean and free of plastics? Now, some measures are given to be followed in the yellow box. Do not throw plastic bags in the water bottles, bodies, or on the road. Take a cotton carry bag or a jute bag while going for shopping. Try to minimize the use of plastic materials, that is, use of a steel lunch box instead of a plastic one. We have came to the end of this chapter, and here's in the blue box it's given the keywords and what we have learned in the yellow box. So you should know about all the things they have mentioned here. Here is synthetic fibers and plastics and like natural fibers and all the things we have learned in the chapter. Then we should know all of these. Now you can read out all the things they have mentioned here, and we will cover the next chapter in the next video.